going to do this one. So let's put hot water into the pot. 1 cup of hot water into the pot. All right. So what we are going to do, grate a little piece of a ginger like this into the water. Just a little piece of a ginger. All right. Yeah. Just like that. Lovely. Okay, so what we're going to do is we just make this a little bit lukewarm to keep it warm. We are not going to cook it. We are just lukewarming it at the moment. All right. Yeah. Now we're gonna get the white onion. Yeah. So this is the white onion, medium sized one. Put it into the water like this. All right. One tablespoon of fresh garlic right here. We're using some fresh garlic into the water. All right. Just a little bit more heat. Okay. So we're not boiling it like oxtail. We're just jarring it. So we're just gonna leave this for a few minutes into the water. Yeah. The best thing to do is to cover it like this. All right. And allow it to jar. So we did high blood pressure recipe this year. We did cholesterol recipe this year. We did high blood sugar recipe this year, diabetic recipe this year, weight loss recipe this year, detox the body this year. So anybody who watched my video and said, Chef Ricardo, I'm suffering same way, well, you're not doing the right thing at home. All right. All of those recipes is on my YouTube channel. I did them this year from January right back till today. We've been doing a lot of healthy recipes to help you at home. Just be grateful and give God thanks. There's a lot of people as get better. Some don't because they don't watch my video. So you're not gonna get better. And I'm not gonna be reversing myself over with the same thing. I'm moving forward to new stuff now. The amount of people that saw me and said, thank you for these recipes, Chef Ricardo, they help me. If you at home right now and suffering from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, weight loss, detoxing, all of these things, and you're telling yourself that, oh, I can't get better, I can't this, something is wrong with you, you have to see your doctor. All right? Yeah. Your mic is too low. Well, I'm not using a mic, to be honest with you. So straight away, you're saying something which is wrong. Listen to this, and so I know that my mic is okay. Listen to this. I'm not using a mic, So you can't tell me that my mic is too low, because what I've been using, it is telling me it is double time what I'm been using at the moment from the device. So I'm not using a mic, because sometimes when I use the mic even die and you not even recognize. So I say, you know what, I got good mic. Good mic. I don't use them because sometimes the mic just die. So if you're at home right now and suffering from any of these things, it's loud and clear. Yeah, some people, I just think their device might give trouble, or whatever they're using might give trouble. So that's how it look right there, guys. So if you're at home and you're saying to yourself, I cannot get better, I cannot, then definitely you're not doing the right thing. I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. There are so many people has get better this year, get rid of their high blood pressure, because I got testimony, whole heap of testimony. Whole heap of people reach out to me this year. 10 months worth of high blood pressure and all of these healthy recipes we've been doing over the last 10 months. There's no way someone can tell me that, oh, I'm suffering from high blood pressure, I'm suffering from this. It's not gonna go away, because if you're not eating properly, it won't go away. But if you're eating properly, it will go away. It will reverse back your blood pressure, your type 2 diabetes, whatever you're going through. You know what I mean? Unless, because once you start to eating healthy and looking after yourself, things will reverse. All right? Anxiety, all of those things will reverse, and you will be healthy at home. I prove it over and over, and I have testimony on these things which I make over the last 9.5 months. We've been making these recipes. So if somebody can say, you know what, I've been grateful, I'm better now than before, you're not doing the right thing. Let's turn off this one and take it after the eat. All right, we're gonna take it after eat. So yeah, take it after eat, have a look at it. All right, yeah, that's the way it look right here. So it's ginger, garlic, and white onion. All right, we don't make it boil, we just dry it, steam it to get the flavor out of the ingredients, and that's the way it look right here. Okay, next year 2025, let's see what we can do again. But the good news is there's a lot of people as thanking me over the last 3 weeks, and I know that things is working. You know what I mean? People say they're much better than before and more healthier and all of these things. All right? Yeah. All right, people, I'm not gonna be keeping it too long tonight. It's a nice, good 15 minutes with a cup of tea. Beautiful, cool down, just cool it down a little bit. Lovely and nice. And once it cool down, then you're good to go. Just remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. It is on Amazon right here. All right? Yeah, man, support the progress. It is coming up to Thanksgiving, and it's also coming up, you know what I mean, to Christmas and all of these things. People start to shopping already. I've been in the supermarket and I see it. All right, Esther Delicious have a book. Aunt's Cooking have a book. I need to get those book. So you can also go over and support them. They have a nice cookbook, recipe book, garden book, help you to grow organic food at home, help you to cook healthy at home. You can also go over and support them. This book is a brilliant book. I can see where a lot of people read the book and leave their comments. Also, I want to thank you guys, every one of you who take the time and support me and get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. The t-shirt then is available in the description. You can get also a t-shirt to buy. Also, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. Don't spend half the whole of the money this Christmas and don't support your one. You understand? Support the one who I try. Yeah. A good vibes. Thank you so much once again. And as I say, the year is almost over. Time is moving fast. And it's the same thing. One man say, what goes up never come down. What is age? Age goes up, can't come down. It's the same thing with age. Age is moving fast. Time is moving fast. Everything is moving fast. Look after yourself at home. Be strong, people. There's a lot happening today, but you're gonna have to give the Almighty who created this world the praise and the glory as part of what's going on. Let's finish up this cup of tea. Excellent, you know? Yeah, man. That's how it go in the kitchen today. Yes, people. Beautiful and lovely cup of tea this evening. Here it is. Right. You can add some honey to it, but you don't need to. You can drink it natural as it is right here. All right, so you want to drink this before you go to bed or first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for 5 days. All right, 5 working days and you're good to go. Look at that, beautiful and nice, people. So this is another recipe I give you guys today. Again, just remember, the garlic is very good for your cholesterol, for your blood, for your liver, for your kidney. This is very good to cleanse up the body. We've been doing this over the last 9 months. We've been doing this, guys, 9 months. Go on my YouTube channel and you can see it. And I got testimony about these teas we should be doing from January. All right, we've been doing it January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and we're in October. A good vibes. People, have one of the most beautiful weekend you ever have in your life. Have a beautiful evening. Sleep well. Look after yourself. Stay blessed. Give thanks. And you know what? Just remember one thing. Always pray and give God the praise and the glory. No matter what you are going through. No matter what's the problem. No matter what's the difficult. No matter what's happening. Just one thing. Pray. Nothing on earth can beat that. So stay blessed. Big up yourself. Esther Delicious. Thank you so much. Leave no comments after the video finish. Don't be selfish. It is one of the biggest cereal taker in the world today. Share and tell a friend. Don't keep things for yourself. It doesn't fear. And you will leave the world with a guilt. Yes, you might have said, yes, I pray. You're still gonna leave the world with something. Guilt. Don't keep things for yourself. Tell someone. Tell your neighbor. You don't have to share the video. Sometimes your neighbor going through a little bit of a problem and stress because they have some illness. Share the video with them. Share